This is the Woodford Genuine 10104 extension or clevis rod. Now, this rod will work for the Y34, Y1, Y2, W34, and S3 yard hydrants. Now, the extension rod is the short rod, of course, that goes down through the packing nut, goes through the connector, and connects to the big long pump or activating rod that the plunger threads onto the bottom of. Now, starting with a couple dimensions of this part, we're going to start with total length. And total length, we're measuring all the way from that little extended piece right here on the tip, all the way down to the bottom end of the rod. It's going to be right at about 3 3/4 inches. And then outer diameter, roughly about 7/16. And once again, this is the Woodford 10104 extension or clevis rod.